In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location in Google Chrome. If a website needs to know where you are in order to work properly, like showing nearby results, local weather, maps, delivery options, or region-specific content, you'll need to allow location access in Chrome. The good news is that this only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, open Google Chrome on your device and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This is where you'll find most of the browser's settings and controls. From the menu, click on Settings. This will open a new page where you can manage how Chrome behaves, including privacy, security, and website permissions. If you don't see everything right away, just take your time and scroll as needed. Once you're in Settings, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the options that control how Chrome handles your data, browsing protections, and the permissions that websites can request from you. It's also where you can manage access to things like your camera, microphone, notifications, and location. Next, click on Site Settings. This area lets you control what websites are allowed to do when you visit them. For example, websites may ask to send notifications, use your camera, or access your location. Since we want to enable location, this is the right place to be. Now, look for the location option and click on it. Inside the location settings, you'll see a setting called Sites can ask for your location. Turn that on so websites are allowed to request access to your location when needed. This does not automatically share your location with every site. It simply lets Chrome ask you for permission, which gives you more control and helps protect your privacy. You should also click the option for Collapse Unwanted Requests. Enabling this helps reduce annoying or unnecessary permission pop-ups from websites that repeatedly ask for access. It keeps your browsing experience cleaner while still allowing useful websites to request your location when appropriate. Once these settings are enabled, you're all set. The next time a website needs your location, Chrome can prompt you to allow or block access. If location still doesn't work after this, make sure location services are also turned on in your computer or device settings, because Chrome may depend on that as well. And that's how to enable location in Google Chrome.